What's going on, everyone? Hope you have a great day. So here I am back on another video. I am Surojit and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to try on another mineable coin, and this is about the Nikitonium. But we can say the Nikitonium coin has a three different name: the Nikitonium, Nikito project, or the Nikito Network, or as a Nikito coin. So this is the main website. It's about the Nikitonium, and here we can see this is the main is the community hub as a Twitter and the Discord and the GitHub. So you can choose any of this to communicate or to connect with their website, and this is the main website, and this is the main also the wallet, and they have the two wallet as a Nikito is the Windows wallet and the Ubuntu wallet, and this is the Explorer. So you can join the community and also connect with their wallet. And this is the Nikito project, or the about the Nikito. The vision is that for the Nikito is to craft a graceful and potent experience for positive, connected, and maybe even enchanting interaction between the physical and the Metaverse real, a world where both real are explored and expanded to their fullest, coexisting harmoniously as significant complements. The power of Niki pushes the notion to its utmost edge, encompassing vast scope, scale, diversity, and opulence. It embodies the infinite real we are poised to forge, brimming with limitless imagination, richness, and variety. So about the tokenomics, here is the specification about the coin. The symbol of the coin is the Niki. The algorithm again is the ghostirder. Reward is about 5,000. This is the max supply, and the block time it's about 2 minutes, and the smartnode collateral is about 9 lakh. The reward distribution is for the miner or the GPU miner is take around 40%, smartnode 50%, and the development is 10%. The development funds it's about 60%, and the exchange listing on 30%, and the marketing on 10%. So without a blockchain, Niki cannot be exist, and there is the two wallet address on the Windows and the Ubuntu. And if you click on the Windows wallet, so if I click on the GitHub site, you can get also the wallet address from there. And here is the Nikito code 2.0.2.3. the latest version is available, and if I click on that, here we can see this is the Ubuntu and this is the Windows wallet, and this is the source code. So you can check it out on that which one is available, and you can join on this source code or the Windows and the Ubuntu wallet. So if you get on about the Nikito network, this is a Bitcoin forum or the bitcointalk.org, and here is the Nikito wallet also give the latest link in there. The version is the 2.0.2.3, and this is for the Ubuntu, and there is the distribution and the specification and about the Nikito is all the details is provided on there. And here we can see this is for the PPLNS, and this is the solo mining, and about the pool and also the rate and the dev fee, all is details is provided on there, so you can check it also in there. So Nikito coin is also available on the Hashrate.no, and here we can see right now the Nikito is on the 3060 card is right now run on as a ghostirder algorithm. The hash rate you can get it's around 949 hash rate per second. The efficiency is 17.25 hash rate per watt, and the power reported is about 55 watt on the medium overclock setting, and you can get it's around 1.3 kilohash per hour, and this is the 24 hours rate, and the revenue is right now going on it's about 0.20 cents per 3060 card, and the revenue after the 24 hours is about 0.90. The profit is right now too low, it's about 0.07, because right now you know that Bitcoin is going down and all the altcoin price is also going down again, so that's why this is the profitability is going now it's about 0.07 on the Nikito. But you can choose also the others coin which I also make a video about the Xano and the dual coin mining, Hypercursion, Hyperalithium, and all the coins is the AI is also available on my channel, so you can check it out which one is good for you. You can select this coin as a GPU mining. So Nikito network is kind of like a Subi network, because there is the same is the kind like you can say is the profitability, and also the networks available run on as a ghostirder algorithm, and the all the details is kind of like a same, so you can choose any of this coin and you get the same profitability as a Nikito Nikito or the Subi network. And for the Nikito, this is the roadmap, and the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and the phase 4 is going on, and right now it's on the phase 4 app becomes as a Nikito, so you can check it out also in the later. So this is the overall update about the Nikitonium or the main website. And if I choose on to mine as a Nikito or the Nikito coin, and if I click on that, this is the overclock setting, the medium overclock setting that the Hashrate.no is provided. The hash algorithm is the ghostirder, and the miner you can choose as a wild rig miner, and the overclock setting is the medium overclock setting. The core clock offset is 250, locked core clock is 1500, and the memory clock is 5000, and the power limit is 170. You can set on your flight sheet for the 3060 card, and the revenue, profit and the hash rate, efficiency and the power is reported is about 55 watt. And by the way, one more thing is that in this before, when I choose to mine and also make a flight sheet on the ghostirder algorithm and also the wild rig miner, there is the power limit I set on my flight sheet, but the happening is that whatever the Hashrate.no is provided the wattage, this is not going on my profile or my mining, but this time I set this correctly on my flight sheet, and the same hash rate or the power reported you can see on my flight sheet. So basically this is the Bitcoin forum for the Nikitonium, so you can check it out all the details from there, or you can choose also the main website, so you can get all the details from this both website. And this is the GitHub site, this is the Twitter handle, it's about Nikito base. There is the 232 followers. This is a new coin, so that's why also the others miner is not participate on that, so that's why this is too low followers in their Twitter handle. And also the Discord site is about 483 members is right now available, so you can choose on the price. So right now Coin Paprika is right now available for the Nikito or the Niki, and the price is right now 0.0001 cents. And if you are choose to trade, the total 2 exchanges right now available for the Nikitonium. The first one which I prefer to choose as a ZEGX, and the second one is the Finance X. So you can choose any of these, but I prefer and also recommend to choose as a ZEGX. And now for the money pool stats, here we can see that I selected the Nikitonium, which is also run as a CPU mining, but you can choose as a GPU mining. And here we can see that the Nikitonium, there is a 14 different server pool addresses available, and I am going to choose as a Opulence server pool, which is going to be the best. Now also be as a smooth mining experience I prefer on this Opulence server pool. So if I click on the Opulence server pool, here we can see that the Nikitonium, the block height, hash rate, difficulty, nodes, all the demon version, block reward is provided on there. This is the pool, and the solo pool or the solo miner also provided on there. So just tap on the connect button, and on there, because Nikito is also not available just like the Subi and some others new coin on the HIVEOS, so that's why I'm going to choose as the custom pool server. So that's why I choose the Opulence server pool. So choose as a wild rig miner. On the operation I choose on the Linux Mac OS. Specific server as a Asia, and check the SSL version, check on the solo version, and this is the Stratum ID. So I just copy it from there, and now go to the HIVEOS, that how to create the flight sheet and also the overclock setting on the HIVEOS as a Nikito mining or as a GPU mining on Nikito. So I choose my 360 V2 card, and here you can see that the V2 card is ready for mining. And now go to the wallet section, just add your wallet, choose your coin as a Niki, and here you can see that the Niki is not still available, so create Niki as a custom and enter your address, set the name and create your wallet address. So I already created, and here we can see that I choose that the Niki is the ZEGX exchange wallet. You can say that why I am not using Windows wallet or the Ubuntu wallet, because right now I am not holding this coin for the future purpose, because I just mine some coins, and when the price is going up I sell it on the exchanges and get the price as a USDT to get it back. So that's why I'm not holding this coin on the Windows wallet. So that's why I'm going to choose as a ZEGX exchange wallet. On the wallet, here we can see this is my wallet address for the ZEGX, and this is the Niki. I choose and set the Nikito as a ZEGX and update. And on the flat sheet, here we can see that I already created the flat sheet on there as a wild rig miner. So I just edit on that, and here you can see the first coin is the Niki and set the Nikito wallet address. On the pool section, I choose the configure in miner. Here also you can see that the no server is available as a auto server pool address, so that's why I choose as a configure in miner. And for the miner, I am choosing the wild rig miner, but you can choose also SRB miner, but this is going to be the best as a wild rig miner for the Nikito mining. Set the name on the Nikito Network test video, and on the setup config file, here you can see that the ghostirder algorithm I selected on that. And on the wallet section, just choose the wallet.worker name from there, and the pool URL just I copy on that. This is the stratum ID, so I just copy on that, and this is I paste it in here, and this is done. Password you can choose as a X or you can choose as a blank. And for the overclock setting, I set this overclock setting on the extra config argument, and this I found from the wild rig miner extra parameter, so that's why I get the better configuration, and this is working fine, and also get best update, and also provided that the Hashrate.no is set the 55 watt is the power reported, and also the hash rate it's our 949. So I get the prefer is the same hash rate. Also I get the better hash rate on there, and the power reported is the same, it's our 55 watt. So this is the same overclock setting I applied on that the Hashrate.no is provided and also recommended. So here you can see that the dash GPU dash core dash clock space 1500, and the co-offset is the 250, memory clocks is 5000, and the power limit is 170, and the fan speed is 70. But if you are choosing to mine on as a SRB miner, then you can choose as a 5000 or you can choose as a 810, but I'm not using the SRB miner, so that's why I'm going to choose as a 5000 in there. Apply on changes and update my flight sheet. So this is the overall done. Now choose for the live update, that what is the hash rate and all the things on there. So this is the live update on HIVEOS, that you can see that my 3060 V2 card is now mining Nikito and using the Nikito Zagek exchange wallet, choosing the custom pool as a Opulence server pool, and here is the hash rate, that the 944 hash rate per watt. The power reported is the same, it's our 55 watt. So this is the total power consumption for my 3060 card. Auto fan speed option is not enabled in there, and also the overclock setting is not enabled or the direct applied on there. I select all the settings on my flight sheet, that you can see on my flight sheet that I created, that the stratum ID, the ghostwriter algorithm, and the extra config argument as a overclock setting is the core clock is 1500, co-offset is 250, memory clock is 5000, power limit 170, and the fan speed is 70. So this is the overall things in here that my 3060 V2 card is mining, and this is the 950 to 45 is the hash rate, and this is the overall update in here. So this is the overall update in this Nikito mining, that how to create the flight sheet and the overall the wallet address and all the things in as a mining pool stat, to choose as a Opulence server pool and create the flight sheet, or as a stratum ID as a custom URL you can say. So this is the overall done in this video. Now I just wrap up in this video. So this is the overall thing in there. I hope you like this content, and if you think that this video is going to be helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel. And there is a lots of videos available on there as a dual mining or as a single coin mining, so choose any of this. And if you think that this video also be helpful for you, please like this video and share your opinion on this video about your mining experience and which coin you are choosing to mine. And if you think that this video also be helpful for your friends and family, then share this video to help them. So I just wrap up now. So have a great day. I will see you in the next one.